Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to easily create this modern stylish vase inspired by the Japanese Vabi-sabi aesthetic. I'll be using this pot that I found at a flea market. The idea is really simple. I just need to close the top of the vase and add a glass insert inside so it can actually hold water. As you probably know, concrete is a porous material. It absorbs water and over time that can cause it to crack. So adding a glass insert will make it a fully functional vase. Now for the top part, I'm keeping it super simple. I leave an opening for the glass bottle that goes inside, and I'll shape the top on a flat surface covered with plastic wrap. I'm using some leftover bits of concrete from my previous projects, but you can just spread a 2-3 cm thick layer of fresh concrete. Once that's done, let it dry for about 24 hours. The next day, I'll start assembling everything. I cut the glass bottle with a glass cutter so it fits perfectly inside. Then I attach it to the pot using concrete. After that, I place the top part of the vase and glue everything together with more concrete. Don't forget to shape the neck of your vase. I want mine to have just a small subtle edge. So when everything in place, I smooth out the surface with a wet brush, and that's it for today. Let it dry again for another 24 hours. And the next day I'll refine the surface a bit more. This time I'm using different mix: white glue, potato stretch, and a bit of cement. I spread it evenly to smooth out imperfections and add a bit of texture to make the vase look more natural and balanced. Once it dries slightly, it's time to paint. I want that perfectly imperfect Vabi-sabi look, so I'll start with a sienna tone. That's acrylic paint mixed with white glue. Then I place wet cloths over it and brush on white paint over the top. This creates a beautiful organic pattern on the surface. And here's the final result after everything dries: a stylish, unique, and modern vase with a touch of Vabi-sabi charm.